Mind Rescue Kit, Part 6, Wrapping Up. Your next steps. You finished the course and it's natural that you want to know what to do next. First of all, keep doing the bits that worked for you. What worked during the course will continue to make a difference for you. These tools and techniques have 1,001 uses each and can be applied in just about any area of your life. Beyond that, if there's anything you skipped over, consider going back and doing it. Some things will take a little time to settle in. Ideas from later in this course will help support exercises earlier in the course too, especially those in the part about feedback. Next, consider building on areas you've enjoyed and/or found useful. I've made a list of courses and other recommendations you'll probably enjoy at the end of this part. Regarding books, if you've yet to get started, just get started with a bare minimum of information. Reading a dozen Get Started books is a way of avoiding getting started. Get some good books in the subjects where you need more information to keep going. Finally, if this course was useful to you, please tell other people about it so they can benefit too. Pass it on. Give me feedback. If you liked this course, tell me what you liked most. If you struggled with any bits of it, tell me about that as well. I'm happy to hear about your successes too. You can help me to tell the story of this course. What's it really like to take the course? What do you think others can expect to get from it? Where was the value for you? For all of this, you can contact me via info@mindskills-training.co.uk. Other things you might like. Online courses. Go to the main website for a full list of Mindskills training courses, mindskills-training.co.uk/courses. That page also includes upcoming courses. You can request the ones that you want soonest. My blog. Click through the tab marked blog. It's updated regularly with articles, tips, and my thoughts on self-development, psychology, NLP, hypnosis, and coaching. More about NLP. For the best information, look at my blog under the tab NLP. Thanks for taking part, and I hope to hear from you.